Everything is peaceful again, finally.
Wait, did the crystal just move? That glow again.
That can't be good.
The crystal is reacting!
You came?
Came back!
The crystal remains unstable.
So the crystal is still unstable?
I can feel the power again.
I need to control it. Whoa! Too much!
Calm down, calm down! Calm down, calm down!
The power is growing! What happens if I lose control?
We'll face it together. You're stronger than you think.
Wait, it's breaking!
Something else just woke up, Pa.